Welcome back to Characters That Look Alike. Today, we're tackling a pair that can really trip up learners. At first glance, they're nearly identical, but one tiny difference changes everything. Let's decode them. Both characters are built from a vertical stroke with two horizontal lines, but which line is longer tells you which character it is and what it means.
未
Not yet or future.
未来
Future.
未知
Unknown.
末
End or tip or final.
周末
Weekend.
粉末
Powder. The secret lies in the length of the top verses, bottom line. In
未
the bottom line is longer. Think of it as roots growing downward, symbolizing potential that hasn't sprouted yet. Not yet. In
末
the top line is longer, like a tree branch ending at the tip. The end. Stroke 1.
横
Stroke 2.
横
Stroke 3.
竖
Stroke 4.
撇
Stroke 5.
捺
Notice how the base is wide like something still growing. Stroke 1.
横
Stroke 2.
横
Stroke 3.
竖
Stroke 4.
撇
Stroke 5.
捺
Here, the emphasis is on the top like a finished canopy.
未
Plus, bottom long, equals, not yet or future,
末
plus, top long, equals, end of the branch. Remember, long bottom equals future potential.
末
Long top equals final tip.
未
Try writing each 5 times while saying their meanings aloud. Which confusing pair should we decode next? Drop your suggestions below and don't forget to subscribe for more character clarity.